permission to introduce myself. My name is Harun Yahyayas with NPM 211302250. I'm from the Faculty of Teaching and Education, and here I am from the representative of the group of 8 who will explain the result of my assignment, namely the language course Professional English, with the title Understanding Vector Quantities. Want to know what a vector quantity is? Watch the video. Hello everyone! Today we will talk about scalar and vector quantities. In this video, we will discuss the difference between the two quantities and identify some examples. Let's start. Scalars are quantities that are described by magnitude. Magnitude is composed of number and unit. For example, 1 meter. 1 is the numeric value and meter is the unit. Vector, on the other hand, are quantities that are described by magnitude and direction. For example, 1 meter south. 1 meter is the magnitude and south is the direction. Again, take note the difference of the quantities is the presence of the direction. Examples of scalar quantities are time, distance, area, density, work, temperature, speed, energy, and power. And for vector quantities, we have displacement, weight, force, acceleration, velocity. From here, we will discuss further those quantities that are related to our next topic. In scalar quantity, we will discuss more examples of time, distance, and speed. Units for time are second, minute, and hours. For distance, we have meter, kilometer, and miles. And unit for speed are meter per second, kilometer per minute, or miles per horse. So that tournament and acceleration, displacement, and velocity. Unit for acceleration is meter per second squared north or east direction. To discuss more examples, for time we have 5 seconds, 8 minutes, or 13 hours. For a distance, 150 meter or 18 kilometer, 19.7 miles. So speed limit within 10 meter per second, 21 kilometer per minute, or 70 miles per hour. Let's discuss another example. This time, let us identify the different quantities in a given situation. A school bus travels 20 km in 2 hours with a speed of 10 km per hour. In this example, can you identify the different scalar quantities? We have the 2 hours, which is an example of time, and lastly is the 10 km per hour. This is an example of speed. Next example, a cyclist travels 55 km at a speed of 1.5 km per minute. It took him 30 minutes to complete the whole trip. And this is an example of a distance 1.5 km per minute. At it I had in power and I speed. Moving on to more examples of vector quantities. In acceleration, I'm putting Halimbo at I'm putting Halimaba at 15 meter per second north. Is this a displacement demand equating 6 meter is 15 km south and 17 miles west. Velocity naman 10 meter per second northeast, 16 km per minute southwest, or 50 miles per hour southeast. Sample problem. A driver starts his parked car and within 5 seconds reaches a velocity of 15 meter per second as it travels with an acceleration of 5 meter per second squared. Again, this quantity is non-vector quantity. What about 15 meter per second is What about 15 meter per second is? And 15 meter per second is velocity. And 15 meter per second is velocity. And 5 meter per second squared. 5 meter per second is acceleration.